Hi beauties, I'm so excited for today's video because I have the new Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys, I've not been so excited for a palette in forever, but this palette, she's gorgeous. I know that Anastasia eyeshadows are always bomb and I always love them, so when I saw this color selection, I was like blown away. I'm actually going to prime my eyelids first with the P. Louise base in number 2. I'm just going to add this to my eyelid. I have concealer on my eyelid right now, but I like to do some priming also. And I'm just going to just dab that up toward my brow bone. Like this. This is definitely the best eyeshadow primer that I own. I love it so much. I'm going to blend out the primer with the Anastasia brush. This came with the palette. I'm going to use that to blend out the primer. Blending out primer is kind of important because, you know, you don't want any creases or any like harsh, sharp lines or anything like that. Boom. Now for the fun. Let's have some fun. This palette is sick. All right, we're going to go in with the Bahamas. The color is called Bahamas. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty pink. It's hot pink, my favorite pink ever. Like, I love it. So we're going to just put this right here. What in the world? Okay, we're going to put this in right here. First, I'm just going to press it in, like here, and I'm going to blend it lightly, back and forth, back, forth and forth, yeah, back, forth and forth. My singing is horrendous, you guys, don't judge me. Fun fact, I did go to an art school, but not for singing. I went for drawing and painting and photography, that sort of thing. It's actually the same school a lot of people who are into the arts went to, like Nicki Minaj and Marlon Wayans. The Wayans brothers actually, Jennifer Aniston, lots of people. Celia Banks. We're actually in the same year. I don't really know her personally, but I remember seeing her around because we were in the same graduating class in high school. I thought she dressed really nice. Great style. Alright, so we're going to blend this out. I was really shy, so I didn't have many friends in high school. But my school was really fun. It was like High School Musical. I don't know why we're talking about high school right now, you guys. Like, I don't even know where this topic came from. Oh, my singing. My horrendous singing. That's why. Anyways, a lot of people thought I was a singing major because of my my complexion. A lot of the black girls in my high school were singing majors, so a lot of people would just assume that I was a vocal major, but I wasn't. I was an artiste. Just keep blending that pink color. Ew. Ew. This may be one of the best pink shadows I have ever worked with. Like, it's so pigmented. It blends so well. Anastasia. I don't expect anything less from Anastasia. Like, can you guys hear that? Like, that's so annoying. This happens every single time I film. It's my heating system. Anastasia shadows are definitely one of the best formulas on the market, and even when there's a lot of fallout like with Subculture, the shadows are still bomb. Like, they still blend out really well. I feel like I never had a product from Anastasia that I hated because of the formula. It's more so like if I hated the product, it was just a personal thing. Like, you know, I didn't like the color maybe, but not like the product itself was horrible. I need to go to Saint-Tropez right now. Like, the French Riviera. Is that where that is? I hope. Maintenant. Next, I'm going to go in with the purple shade called Canes. And we're going to pop that right in here. Oh my gosh. She is super gorgeous. Wow. This is such a rich, beautiful color. It's so cute. I love it. This color is amazing. I love it. We're gonna blend it out. I've never used this brush much or ever. This is a Sigma Buff and Blend brush, the E39. It's kind of nifty. It's gonna make a nice gradient, we hope. This is beautiful. Black Barbie dressed in Bacardi. What does she say? Black Barbie dressed in what? I don't remember. Bacardi? I don't know. You know, I am a notorious song lyric maker-upper. I literally do not know the lyrics to any songs. I make up my own lyrics because I just don't understand what people are saying ever. Like, I really just don't know. I am clueless. I'm gonna blend this together. Pink and purple, blend her together. Nice and blended. This is giving me such Limited 2 vibes. Like, can we just go back in time? Do you guys know about Limited 2? Now we're gonna do a little bit of a cut crease, and I'm gonna use some more primer. I'm taking a MAC 242 brush, and I'm just gonna add that right here. I like it. I like it like that. I'm gonna take a flat brush, and I'm gonna go into the color. So I'm gonna use the color Estate right here, and I'm gonna just start applying that. I'm gonna go back into the purple, and I'm just gonna buff that in this way. So I like to just go back into the purple. And kind of make a gradient effect. So there's not really a harsh line, it's just kind of flows right into the purple. I'm gonna take some wing liner. I'm gonna take some eyeliner from NYX and create a little wing with it. This is so black. I love it. I love this liner. I'm gonna throw on my AliExpress lashes, and I'll be back. So we're gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna do the same 2 colors, which are Bahamas and Canis. I actually really love using the Anastasia brush for my lower lash line, so I'm gonna start out with Bahamas, and we're just going to dust that off and start applying that. Alright, then I'm gonna take the purple. I'm freaking obsessed. I'm gonna take a purpley color to put in my waterline. I found one from Covergirl. I was not looking for it, but hey, this is the Full Spectrum Define in Moment in Deep Purple Violet Orchid. Perfect. Perfection. It's perfect for this. Then I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lash line. The lashes on my lower lash line are non-existent, so I'm going to add some eyeliner to just create some little effects. Looks like I have way more lashes than I really do. I'm just going to dust off this powder. There wasn't too much fallout actually. I was expecting a lot more, but there really wasn't a lot of fallout. I was expecting there to be a lot more just because it's very pigmented, and usually with a lot of pigment you get a lot of fallout. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, we're gonna go in with this palette from Kat Von D. I look really Caspery. Setting spray will fix that. We're gonna do Kat Von D contour. Just contour. Let's get snatched. Yes, I love it. I love it. Okay, so it's time to bronze. We're gonna use some of this, my favorite, and just start bronzing my face. Adding some warmth to my face. To this look. We're gonna do some blushy. I'm gonna take my favorite grapefruit blush. I use this literally all the time. Like, it doesn't have to go with the eye look. I just really love it. And I feel like it just goes with me in general. So therefore, it goes with everything that I do. You know? I don't know. I just love it. Okay, we're gonna do some highlighter. We're gonna use Dose of Colored highlight in Royal Hotness. I actually didn't plan on my inner corner. I don't know what I'm gonna put there. There's so many beautiful colors in this palette, you guys. So many beautiful colors. But I just kind of want it to almost... I don't know. I'm gonna do highlight because I can't really decide. And I don't want to do something that I regret. I know I will not regret highlight. You know, one is never... That's like the worst thing ever. You have a bomb eye look and then you put a stupid inner corner color. Like, girl. Your life is ruined. Okay. Found my lip liner. This is from Makeup Her and it is in the color Limitless Brown. I need to go to bed, clearly. Alright, so for my lipstick, I didn't really decide what color I want to use. I feel like I know I usually... That Fenty purple color, but I don't know where it is. I have no idea where my Fenty color is, but I did find this Covergirl lipstick in the shade Feelings. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? JT. Whatever. We're gonna do some setting spray. This is a Beauty Blender. Ooh, yes. So this is the completed look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.